Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Doctor of Word. This is me, Kajal Pandit, and in this video, we will be discussing where and how to start your second year. I know you have just finished your university exams and you are really confused about which books to buy. In second year, in total, you have 6 subjects: Rognadan, Dravya Gun, Rasashastra, Swastha Samhita Adhyayan, and Agattantra. So, about the uni exams, for Swastha you have to give paper 1, paper 2. For Rognadan, you have to give paper 1, paper 2. For Rasashastra, you have to give paper 1, paper 2. Dravyagun, you have to give paper 1, paper 2. For Agat and Sahita, you have to give only paper 1. So, we will come on the main topic, which is which book to refer. We'll start with Rognadan. For Rognadan, there aren't ample of English books, but what I refer is a Marathi textbook, which is this. It is Dr. Subhash Ranade's book. It is in Marathi, but what I do is translate all in English and then give my papers. It is tacky, but it actually helps. This book is available in part 1 and part 2. So the next subject we'll start is Rasashastra. Rasashastra is the most important subject. It has a huge weightage in AIPGET exams also. So the English book which I refer is Dr. Anurupa HK for part 1, and for part 2 I refer this book. The third subject is Dravya Gun. It is also a very nice subject. It is very interesting. And so the book I use for part 1 and part 2 is Fundamental of Dravya Gun by Dr. Mahesh T.S. And for part 2, you can use Dr. J.N.L. Shastri's book. It is very nice and you can prefer it if you want. But I'll prefer you make your own notes by searching the granthas like Raj Nigantu, Dhanvantri Nigantu, Bhav Prakash Nigantu. It is very useful. If you'll start doing it from the start, then you can have your own notes and you can study, and they are actually helpful. Now comes the fourth subject, that is Swastha. It is equivalent to PSM from the modern subjects. You can, for modern, you can use K Park, and for Ayurveda, I use 2 books. One is in English and one is in Hindi. The Hindi one is Dr. Agrawal's, Sarvesh Agrawal, and if for English, I use Dr. Mangala Gauri Rao. These 2 books are enough, and for every subject you have to refer 2 to 3 books. So either you buy a standard book and then you can have PDFs of other as you wish. Now comes the fifth subject, that is Agat Tantra. For Agat Tantra, I use an English book, that is Dr. Jyoti Sajjayan, and it covers all the topics which are included in our syllabus copy, so you can buy it. And for modern book like Toxicology and Forensic Medicine, I use a single book. It is very nice and it has all the points. Now the last subject, that is Samhita Adhyayan 2. We have to study Charak Samhita. So for that, I have used an English book, that is R. Vaidyanath, and it is very nice for English. Whoever is writing paper in English who doesn't understand Marathi or Hindi, you can use it. That's it for this video. If you liked my video and if you want more about it or other books recommendation, then please tell me. And thank you for watching. See ya.